Hi guys, happy Friday, TGIF. Today naman, I will be maintaining my gears, and one of which is this, my Dive R attack fins, pang-hunt sa mga pelagic. Alright, look at that. Puno na kayo siya mga scratches. Now, I learned these tips naman kay Ayan Servilon from Tribu Mandaragat. Shout out to you, my friend. Salamat naman sa life hack para ma-maintain natin na maayos yung gamit natin pang diving, especially itong carbon fiber fins. Now, the purpose of which na maglagay daw kayo ng silicone grease, it doesn't matter, no? What I'm using is a Trident. Yep. This is a famous brand. I bought this in US. And it's also a silicone grease, pure silicone grease. The purpose naman is to protect your carbon fiber fins from the UV rays and from salt corrosion. Kaya daw, sabi ni Ayan, maganda kapag sinustore nyo yung fins nyo ng matagal, lagyan nyo na lang ng silicone grease. Now let's try doing that. Sabi niya daw, mag-apply ka ng konti sa mga carbon at saka i-lather, just lather it. Wow. Kumikintab talaga siya, oh. Tapos, napoprotektahan siya. Less water friction daw, sabi ni Ayan, which is very good, no? I like less water friction. And, napoprotektahan yung carbon fiber niya from the UV rays. Look at that. Actually, I'm really rubbing it, no? In here. And gumaganda talaga siya. Yung mga scratches naman, para siyang nag-heal. Very nice tip. Thank you talaga dito. Ayan, ha? Yan. Yung Trident then, silicone grease is also good to protect your rubber. The rails dito sa fins mo at saka yung foot pocket kasi yung foot pocket is also rubber. The foot pocket naman that I use here is a Reef. I use a Reef foot pocket for my Dive R. Wow, look at that. Maganda na talaga siya, guys. Let me show you in a bit, huh? I'm almost done. Okay. Inaano ko talaga, nira-rub ko talaga inside those scratches. Kasi actually, it really makes sense, no? Kasi if you put silicone sa mga scratches niya, nag-fill up yung mga gaps sa carbon fiber. And it protects talaga from the salt water and UV rays. Kasi it seals. The silicone grease seals up those scratches. Oh, look at this. Jajan! Ganda na, no? Ito naman yung isa. Hindi ko pa nalagyan. Look at the difference. Malaki yung difference, no? Nice. Now, I will do the top part. Kasi dami na rin scratches, oh. Nawala yung scratch sa likod. Galing talaga, Ayan. Thank you, bye, ha? Thank you. Life hack. Let me put some more of this. Galing talaga yung, actually, galing talaga yung explanation ni Ayan. It protects your carbon fibers from the UV rays and salt corrosion. Tapos less friction kapag nagda-dive ka. Net. So parang nagiging hindi naman aerodynamic. How do you call that? How do you call that? Hydrodynamic. And my fins talaga, dami ng scratches. Actually, you cannot avoid talaga na mas-scratch yung fins mo. Especially when you dive down, tapos yung hunting procedure mo is an ambush. Kailangan mo talagang itago yung mga fins mo. Magagasgas yan sa corals when you put them down. And according to one of my friends then, the proper way of hunting is dapat naka-down yung fins mo, hindi siya nakatihaya. Kasi matatakot yung mga fish. Especially yung mga pelagic, kasi aakalain nila na baka malaking fish to. Kaya you have to hide down, put down your fins, and what happens to that is nasa-scratch siya sa corals. Ang sharp pa naman ng mga corals. Ayan. I'm also putting silicone grease on my rails. And let me also do the foot pockets na lang din. Ganda na. Sinaw na. Look at that, yo. Grabe ba, yo? Diba? Nice. Okay. Show you the difference. Now, this one is wala pa siyang silicone grease. Ito naman with silicone grease. Okay, side by side difference. Okay. Let's see on the other side. Yeah. This one wala pa siyang grease, ha? Silicone grease. Ito meron na. Alright. Thank you, Ayan Servilon, for that life hack and proper way of maintaining our dive gears. Okay, to everyone, what I'm using is a Trident here. Trident silicone grease. So this one on top is yung may silicone. Tsaka sa baba naman yung wala. Laki ng difference, di ba? There. Ito walang silicone. Ito meron na. In front. Grabe scratches yung isa, oh. On my left side. And this one, meron ng silicone. Parang naging brand new. Galing. Thank you, Ayan of Tribo Mandaragat. Okay, after my dive R, I also did application of silicone grease to my Alchemy AV3. It's also a carbon fiber fins. Karon slide na kayo. So greasy and slippery. Kuan yun. Hydrodynamic na talaga. Yan. Nice. Alright, that's all, folks. And I'll be doing the other one in a bit. Thank you, Ayan and Tribo Mandaragat, for this beautiful tip. Nagamit ko talaga, pre. Thank you.